Today, we will make buns filled with plum jam. You will need flour, milk, butter, sugar, yeast, egg yolks, salt, and plum jam. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of sugar in 240 milliliters of lukewarm milk. Add 1 7-gram pack of dried yeast. Leave the milk in a warm place for a few minutes so that the yeast can activate. Place half a kilo of white bread flour in a mixing bowl. Add 80 grams of unrefined sugar. Add 80 grams of melted, unsalted butter. Add 3 egg yolks. Add a pinch of salt. Once the yeast looks frothy, add the milk with the yeast to the bowl. Knead the dough until all ingredients are combined and the dough is smooth. You can use a food mixer or a wooden spoon. Leave the dough rest in a warm place for about an hour, until it doubles in size. Once the dough is ready, place it onto a lightly floured surface, and divide the dough into 3 parts. Then, take each piece and divide it again, into 5 parts. This will give you 15 pieces of dough. Roll each piece into a ball, and then, flatten the ball. Place about 1 teaspoon of plum jam to the center, and fold the dough carefully over the plum jam. Squeeze the edges together, so that there are no gaps. Plum jam is sometimes also called plum butter. You could try this recipe with other types of jam as well. Fill the rest of the dough pieces with jam. Grease an oven dish with butter. Place the buns inside the oven dish, brushing them with melted unsalted butter, from all sides, and from the top. Leave the buns in a warm place for about half an hour, so that the dough can rise a little bit more. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake the buns for about half an hour, or until the surface looks golden brown. Brush the buns with melted butter once more. Let the buns cool off. The buns are easy to separate, thanks to the butter. The buns are nice and fluffy inside, and will taste delicious. You could sprinkle the buns with icing sugar.